Question number 34. The primary reason for widespread use of silicon in semiconductor device technology is abundance of options. Abundance of silicon on the surface earth. B. Larger bandgap of silicon in comparison to the germanium. Favorable properties of silicon dioxide. Lower melting point. A is also correct. B also correct. C also correct. And D also correct. But he is asking widespread of use of primary reason. He is asking the primary reason. The primary reason is abundance of means widely availability of silicon on surface earth, and some other reasons for this we will write here. Even though all of 4 options are correct, but abundance of silicon on surface earth is the primary reason. And these are the some more reasons. Silicon is widely used device in technology because semiconductor, meaning it can conduct electricity under certain conditions, and it is expensive and easy to produce. This is semiconductor. Silicon is a semiconductor, which means can act as an insulator and or conductor depending on the conditions. It acts as insulator and conductor depending on the conditions. Its conductivity properties can be increased by mixing with other materials like boron, phosphorus. Means conductivity properties can be improved or increased by adding these materials. Second reason, cost and production. Silicon is inexpensive, not expensive, inexpensive, because this is the primary reason. Inexpensive and easy to produce because it is a widely availability on earth, silicon dioxide. Next, heat resistance. Silicon can withdraw temperature up to 150 degrees. Stable structure. Next, active devices. Based on all these reasons, the mainly used purpose is primary reason is abundance of silicon on earth.